I flew into Salt Lake City on my way to Los Angeles and found a brief respite from the exhaustion of work and life.
Hola, ¿qué onda, chicos? What's up, cool people? I'm here at the airport in Salt Lake City, waiting for my flight to LA, where I'm going to spend a few days. Come along, hang out with me. Let's see what there is to discover.
I've heard a lot of recent talk in both the neurodivergent and higher education communities around sensory rooms, places you can go to help manage feelings of being overwhelmed.
In the sensory room here at the airport to come and relax, unwind, center myself for my next flight. It's pretty amazing. I'm gonna just chill out here for a little bit.
A sensory room is kind of like an abstract environment designed with calming activities to regulate your emotions. And before I knew it, I was out floating somewhere over the Great Salt Lake. Well, metaphorically speaking. But also grounding back into my body and relaxing the frantic activity of my overthinking mind.
Feeling much better after my relaxing stay in the sensory room.
Other parts of the airport also pay attention to that overload that comes from traveling by providing passageways with calming light, sound, and visual sensation. So I felt more of a sense of calm and peace as I checked back into my flight and boarded the plane for LA. And all across that massive valley, which stretches out from the mountains of the Angeles National Forest to the north, all the way to the sandy beaches of Santa Monica, and down to Redondo Beach, I relaxed into the last part of my journey.
All right, I made it to the LAX Metro. I'm gonna get my tap card, get to tapping my way around town.
And somehow I felt, even amongst the ordinary confusion of travel and new experiences, that I stayed centered and present, my neurological system getting a brief reset back there in the Salt Lake City airport at the sensory room.